Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by prepping the surface so the sealant bonds, clean vigorously and remove contaminants. Once done, tape off adjacent areas and lay drop cloths to protect finishes. Make sure you have Aqua Seal, a proper applicator, gloves, and a respirator ready. Mix per label instructions if required. You'll apply the very first thin coat now to ensure adhesion. This initial layer soaks into pores and creates the base film for subsequent coats. You'll continue by applying a controlled second coat after the base cures enough to carry another layer. Use steady strokes, brush, short nap roller, or caulk gun, maintaining a wet edge to prevent lap marks. Once done, leave the specified flash time between coats. This helps solvents evaporate and reduces pinholes. If the surface shows texture, sand lightly with fine grit before the next coat, then clean dust away. Make sure to monitor temperature and humidity. You finish by letting the final coat cure fully. Check the label for exact times because cure affects durability. Once cured, inspect under good light for pinholes or missed areas and apply targeted touch-ups where the film is thin. Make sure to clean tools promptly and reseal the container to keep leftovers usable. If you encounter lifting or bubbling, that indicates trapped moisture or contamination. Stop, sand the area, let it dry thoroughly. Then reapply a thin coat as the key troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.